My name is Saleena Butler, and I'm the instructional coach for English Language Arts and Reading at Lobit Elementary. You know, just like everyone else, we're thinking about the COVID-19 situation that started last spring, and according to NWEA, many students would be coming to us this year with only 50 to 70% of their normal learning gains they typically earn during the school year. So we knew here at Lobit that we would still have kids who would come in on grade level and could still be able to make a year's growth just by having that good Tier 1 instruction. So other students, however, may come in below grade level and need that additional Tier 2 and Tier 3 instruction to assist their growth. And then we also knew that we would have students coming above grade level to us, and they would need that enrichment to supplement their regular Tier 1 instruction in order to maintain their growth. This year, more than ever, we needed to be strategic about our instruction to help students make the most possible growth.
We were able to purchase 4 supplemental programs to add to our curriculum. The Wilson Reading Foundations program will provide our students with materials and strategies that target phonemic awareness, phonics, high-frequency words, reading fluency, spelling, and handwriting. We also asked for guided math grade level kits. It's a classroom resource that helps teachers plan, organize, implement, and manage guided math. The Math Fluency Intervention Bundle kits are targeted instructional kits that use math talks and number strings to build numeracy skills in students who are struggling with core number concepts and to develop computational fluency in just about 10 minutes a day. STEM bins are plastic school boxes filled with an engineering manipulative of our choice. STEM bins provide an open-ended and developmentally appropriate foundation of engineering for elementary students.
So we are using pipe cleaners and straws to make the super soft hammer that even kids can play with it.
We're making a hammer, a double-sided hammer. We're using straws and pipe cleaners.
The Foundations program and the Guided Math program is used for whole group and small group instruction within the regular classroom. Our Math Fluency Intervention kits as well as Foundations will be used with Tier 2 small groups. For enrichment, we plan to implement the STEM bins for our higher math and science students to follow the STEM-R model from the Renzulli Center for challenging our higher readers.
Well, we really worked hard to make sure we chose materials that would benefit all of the students on our campus, knowing that some of our students may need an intervention while others will need enrichment opportunities. And many times schools, including us, focus so much on just intervening that we forget to ask for resources for our students on the other end. And Vygotsky says, if the environment presents no such challenging task to the adolescent, makes no demands on him, and does not stimulate his intellect by providing a sequence of new goals, his thinking fails to reach the highest stages or reaches them with great delay. So Lobit Elementary is working diligently to balance our efforts for intervention programs with our enrichment programs, and we want to take this moment to thank you for providing the funds to help us do that.